Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Gmail app and confirming the account you'll clean. This ensures you don't delete important mail. Once done, tap the menu icon and go to the folder you want, Inbox, Promotions, or Spam, to focus your work. Make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi or mobile data so actions sync to the server immediately. This avoids inconsistencies across devices. Now locate the first message you want removed and get ready to select multiple items quickly. You'll long press a single email to enter selection mode, then tap each additional message or drag if your phone supports it. This is faster than deleting one by one. Once messages are selected, choose Trash to delete or archive to keep a record without cluttering your inbox. If you see clear junk or phishing, report spam so Gmail learns and filters similar mail automatically. That reduces future work. If you need to remove thousands, consider switching to Gmail's web interface on a browser for a true, select all option. To finish, set up filters so similar messages are handled automatically. Tap a message, choose filter messages like these, then set actions like skip inbox, apply label, or delete. Once satisfied, open Trash and use Empty Trash Now to permanently remove messages and reclaim space. If deleted items reappear, make sure other devices or linked accounts aren't resyncing old mail and verify sync settings. You can also remove and re-add the account to force a clean sync. That solves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.